Good day, my name is James Eugene, the window expert. All right, on this video, we want to show you how to tight G handle for shower cubicle. G handle for shower cubicle. This is G handle. This is how it comes. So, this is G handle for shower cubicle. So, I'm going to be tightening it and then show you how to do it yourself. Let's go. All right, the first thing to do is to lose it. To lose it, this is how to lose it. You will first of all lose this small one out from the bigger size. I have loosened this one. Then you also lose this one too. To enable you tight it, you will lose all of these ones. Okay. Then hold this one. Then you lose this one too. You lose it. So this is it now. So let me show you how we will tight it. So carry this one. Give me these other ones. Give me this one. Okay, take one of the rubber. This is the cover for this. And the rubber also. So place it. All right. That's correct. Okay. All right. So this is how to tight the handle. All right. You turn this one until it is firm enough, and the this other one you tight like this until it is firm. So then this one, you will make sure that you remember to put this. This is the rubber in between this and the glass. Okay. So this one will be covered alongside the rubber. Okay. Then you tie it. Okay. Okay. So this is the G handle. From inside, you can see something like this. You can spray your towel there. That's one of the advantage of this G handle. You open like this and then you close with the one inside. It's very beautiful. It's strong. As you can see, it's very strong. And I like it because it gives you opportunity to tight it in different places that will make it more firm. Here, here, and here. If you like this video, I just want you to please subscribe to my channel, touch the notification bell so that as soon as I drop any video, you will always see it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.